In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use ChatGPT with Microsoft Word 365 to create and improve documents. This is a simple and practical workflow that can save time, especially when you need help drafting content, rewriting unclear sections, summarizing information, or polishing the overall tone of a document. The goal is to combine the writing assistance of ChatGPT with the formatting and editing tools available in Word. Start by opening Microsoft Word 365 and creating a new blank document, or opening an existing file if you already have something started. Word will be the place where your final document comes together, so it helps to have it ready from the beginning. Next, open ChatGPT in your web browser. If your version of Word includes an AI add-in or assistant, you can use that instead. The important thing is to have access to a tool that can generate or improve text based on your instructions. Once both are open, clearly describe the kind of document you want to create. Be specific about the purpose, audience, tone, and format. For example, you might want a professional letter, a report, a meeting summary, or a more polished version of notes you already wrote. The better your instructions are, the more useful the result will be. After that, ask ChatGPT to help with the exact task you need. You can request a first draft, a rewrite of existing text, a summary of longer content, or improvements to wording and clarity. If the first response is close, but not quite right, refine your request and ask for adjustments. This often leads to a stronger result and helps you shape the document more efficiently. When you're satisfied with the output, copy the generated text and paste it into Microsoft Word. From there, begin formatting the document so it looks organized and professional. Use headings to separate sections, adjust spacing to improve readability, and apply word styles to keep the formatting consistent throughout the file. This is especially helpful if you plan to update the document later or generate a table of contents. Before you finish, take time to review the content carefully for accuracy. AI can be very helpful, but you should always check facts, wording, dates, and any details that matter in the final version. Read through the document to make sure it sounds natural and matches your intent. Finally, save the file in Word format and, if needed, export it as a PDF or another format for sharing. With this process, you can use ChatGPT and Microsoft Word 365 together to create documents faster while still keeping full control over the final result.